Hey, cousins, hey, look at him, look at him. I found this wig on Amazon. Pay close attention to original queen. Anyways. So, this wig is a 26-inch wear-go glueless wig, human hair. It's wand curled. They say they use tiny knots. I don't know, but it's cute, okay? Pre-bleached, HD lace, 180% density. Okay, now, honey, y'all look at that. Look how beautifully they pluck. That's what you call pre-plucked. See, some of y'all say pre-plucked and you a pre-plucked lie. That's pre-plucked right there. Let me just say that and get that out of the way. Cause girl, they put their foot off, up, and through that closure. Okay, now y'all, this is another wig grip cap that I found, and you guys, it has ear sections. Oh my goodness, I'm trying it. And you know what else I love about them? They ask you what size you want, because we have different domologies. Okay, some of our domes are blessed and highly favored. Okay, let's just all be in tune with that. Look at those curls. Look at those beautiful wand curls. That is really nice. That is really nice how they set that up. And those wand curls are very stable. They set them too. Now they ain't just throw them all up in there. The wig also has ear cutouts. Y'all, my ear is gonna be, this set is gonna be literally for the ears. It's for the ears, kid. Yes. Look at that. That's just plopped on my face and ready to go to the place. Now, we got to add some tint to that lace. Let's not act brand new to this, because we true to this. Now, the parting, as far as the space for the parting, it could have been a little deeper, but you guys, my parting expectations are just, they're extra, okay? So this is a regular 4-inch parting space back, so there's nothing wrong with it. But y'all, I need at least 5 and up for my parts. And you also do not have to trim that lace because it's pre-cut. The lace is already cut, y'all. But, we ignorant on top of ignorant. Now, you can wear this glueless, and I wanted to show you that, but I'm going to melt it just because I want to use Kafuni's Melt Me Down spray. Okay? A lot of you guys were asking, hey, what's going on with, what is it, Eben? I never used them, but if we can't use that, what we supposed to use? That's black on. Bam, Kafuni. Now, back to this here wig. We are going to put a little heat to those roots, because you know what? Wigs like to be high and mighty up there at the top. And for what? For what? But y'all look at that. Ooh, girl, it's over with. I didn't even know it was going to turn out like this, y'all. I ain't lying. I was like, this going to be a, pretty decent little bop. You know what I'm saying? A little decent bop. And, it's enough to go to Food Line and get our Ziploc bags, be through with it. But no, we can go to club such and such with this. We really can. This wig thoroughly surprised me. There was nothing in me that was expecting this at all, okay? Now, you may be looking at that length like 26 where? Okay, that's the stretched length. That's a very valid question. It's the stretched length, okay? All right. Now, I'm going to throw some wand curls to the roots, okay? That's why I'm heating that wand curler up. I like for bangs to kind of frame my face. I don't want it to be all one length, so I just did a little slight, turn up as far as those front layers, because let's give it some body, yaddy. Wigs move differently, hair moves differently when we add layers. It's a fact, okay? But I decided to go with a side part, so I had to do a little bit of extra stuff, because initially I wanted to do a middle part, and I was like, that's okay, but I'm really thinking a side with pride is gonna do the thing. So yeah, so I had to hot comb it into position and all that stuff. You know the game. We not new to this. We true to this. We know the game, like Judge Mathis said. Okay, so I'm just cleaning up that part since I kind of changed it. I'm etching down that front strand, really for the same reason that I just said. I just like the way it falls when there's layers around my face. And then y'all, I just brushed it out. That's it. And when I tell you, these curls are still in the wig. Like that, it didn't fall, nothing. I was like, oh, original queen. That's how you feel. Look how beautiful that is. And I haven't done my face, anything, y'all. It's just like that. Look at that. We smacking. Look at that wig. That is so pretty. And the hair feels really nice. It is a nice healthy luster, no wig shine, because you know wig shine is not mine. We don't play those reindeer games. But y'all, look how it moves. It's super bouncy, very light, perfect for the summertime. It's getting hot, so I know everybody does not like big, ignorant, heavy hair. Okay, this right here was very, very, very summertime friendly, you guys. Very summertime friendly. And y'all, again, I was just like, dang, I didn't know they was gonna come at it. Now, you also may be asking, girl, why is this video vertical? Because I'm testing something out, okay? YouTube sent me something and it was like, try vertical. So I'm gonna see what's going on with this, see how it accumulates, okay? If it's not accumulating the way it's supposed to head, honey, for what, YouTube, okay? So, but we gonna see. We gonna find out what YouTube has going on. Look how beautiful those waves are. That's pretty, you guys. That is so pretty. And this hair was very easy to work with. It was very easy to work with. And remember, you guys, it came pre-bleached, pre-cut. The lace was pre-cut. Come on now. They say wear and go, but I had to do a couple little things to it. I had to tint the lace. My coffee Olay is like that. They lace wasn't giving it, so I had to tint it. Just says what it is, okay? That's what it is most times. But y'all, I'm about to be out of here. That's it. That's all. Like the comments up, because I want to know what you think and what length you gonna grab, y'all. All right? Peace, love, light. Oh, that's cute. She cute. Yes. Oh, by the way, I cut her. I'm sorry. I know y'all don't like that, but when I see a bob, I have to get it. That's just what it is. All right. Overall, y'all, I was not expecting this wig to go from this to this. When you just get something good out of nowhere, when it just come out of nowhere, that's how I feel right now, y'all. I'm definitely grabbing another length because I feel like being long and ignorant and wavy. Peace, love, light.